tutorial. I'll be doing fashion illustration today. Moreover, we'll talk about how to start for beginners and also what are the important aspects you should look into before you straight jump on your illustrations and renderings. So let's start. Before actually jumping on my illustration, let's talk about what are the important things when we start illustration for beginners. So you should always have measures of your body. It can be 12 inches, 10 inches, 9 inches and 8 inches according to your paper. I'm using 9 inches because I want my illustration to be in the middle of the paper so that when I click picture, I get the proper frame. So when you divide, you have to mark. We call this line as a balance line because our body is symmetrical. So when you illustrate, you should have a symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and one more, 9. 9 inches. First division, when you are doing 9 inches, your face will be a bit smaller than 1 inch because if you do 1 inch, it will look broader. And also this line will help you to get the guidelines and get the proper posture. So please do this before you start the illustration. So before you start your illustration, you should have some practice, hand practice, which is curve line practice, so that you can get flow of your fall and garment. You should have straight line practice. You should make more circles like this, and also you should have light direction knowledge to get a proper and amazing detailed garment. So guys, this is the illustration I've made to render today. And before I start this, we have covered practices we should do. We have covered our bodice measurement. We have and also few more important basic stuff that you should practice every day to improve more. So before I start coloring, you should actually shade the darker areas to have knowledge about where to give darker shades of your garment color and where to give lighter shades of your garment color, such as your pleats and also the overlapping garments. So first we'll start with face. Colors we are using is white, yellow ochre and red, which is poster red, and we'll mix the required proportion. I've done it, so let's paint. So after face rendering, let's start with garment. So first I'll render this dupatta and later I'll tell you the main detailing. I'll just give one base strokes and then I'll tell you the main detailing, which will give folds and the more detailed look. So for dupatta we are using Persian blue and green. Base will be dark blue, later we'll give the depth and the variations. As you can see, it looks very flat. Dupatta looks very flat, like we can't see any pleats. So now I'll be using lightest shade of blue to give bulge of the fabric and also to enhance the depth of it. So let's start. After doing this, you'll have the idea of how to give depth and how to actually differentiate between. So now we have nice depth and folds of dupatta. Same ways we'll be doing our kurta and bottom also. So for my kurta, I'm using light orange color. And for bottom wear, I'll be using reddish pink. So let's do the finishing. So yes, we are done now, and this is the last thing I'm painting, and this is my first illustration related to COVID. So do like, share and comment how you liked it and what else do you want me to share in my next tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye.